Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use the Trading Journal and Dashboard Pro. So before starting, I want to tell you that there are two versions of the same spreadsheet. One is for Google Sheets, so it's this one, and the other one is for Excel, and it's this one. Basically, both are exactly the same tabs, they work the same way. If you prefer to use Excel and you have the software, please pick the Excel one. Or if you don't have Excel or you prefer to use Google Sheets, pick the Google Sheets one. Google Sheets is completely free, you only need to have a Google account. So once you've downloaded the file, there are 5 tabs and they are completely blank. So today, to show you, I will populate some data. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Setup tab and fill your account currency, for example dollar. And the starting balance is calculated automatically based on the initial amount of money that you have on every exchange. The percentage of risk is the percentage of your account that you usually risk per trade. For example, if most of the time you risk 1% of your account per trade, that means that on a trade, if your stop loss is hit, you will lose 1% of your balance. So for the purpose, I fill a 2% percentage of risk. Then list all the assets that you're trading, BTC, Apple, pick a type, and your strategies, a name and a description for each strategy. Finally, you need to tell what are your exchanges and what is the amount of money that you have on all of those exchanges. Let's move on to the trading story. This is the trading journal. This is where you have all your recorded trades. To record the trade, you need to select a date with the date picker. Select a ticker. Those are the tickers that are in the Setup tab. The type will be found automatically. Pick an exchange, a strategy, and fill the entry price. So we are in the entry section. Everything in that section is about the entry in the trade. Fill this cell with the price of your stop loss. Finally, just tell how much were the fees you paid. For the risk section, you only need to fill one cell. This is the risk fiat cell, and you need to fill the amount of money that you will lose if your stop loss is hit on the trade. And it will tell you automatically your R factor and the percentage of risk of your account that is in the trade. The quantity and the cost are calculated automatically. And this section is about the exit of the trade. So if you lost the trade, you need to fill this section in black. You only need to tell at which date you lost the trade. If your stop loss was hit, maybe it's a manual exit or you are at break-even. If it's manual exit, you also need to tell at which price you exited the trade. If you won the trade, and I hope that this is the case, you only need to fill the sections about the take profits. You can have up to 4 take profits, and you need to pick a date, tell what percentage of the trade was taken into profit. For example, if you exited the trade in only 1 take profit, you can say that your take profit is 100%. Do the same thing for each take profits, and after that, tell what are the fees associated with the exit of the trade. The result section is completely automatic. The only thing that you can do is to complete the notes about the trade. So let's move to the deposit and withdrawal tabs. This is where you can fill all the data about your deposits and withdrawals from your trading accounts. For example, if you've made a deposit of $1,000 to your Binance account, you can tell it here. And also, there are all the withdrawals. So if you withdraw money from your trading account to a bank account, you also need to tell it. Next, there are the two summaries. One is completely custom. You choose a start date and an end date, and everything is automatic. So you get your P&L, a number of winning trades, losing trade, and many other metrics such as drawdown, largest net gain, and many metrics. Basically, the yearly summary is very similar. You only need to fill a year, and you will get all the data about your trading during this year. So, such as before, many metrics, and so graphs, and also a little summary for each month of the year. I only have data for September, October, and November, I guess. So yes, you can see that during September my net gain was that and net loss that, and also I have my P&L, and this is it for all the months. So we are done for the journal. I hope that you will love it. All the links are in the description. There are 5 colors for the journal, so I let you check it out in the description. There are the links for Google Sheets and Excel. And yeah, I hope you will love it. Please reach out on Etsy if you have any question. Have a nice day.